Pushpa. I am student of LIST. I would like to say a few words of my institution.
Purnima, doing my final year BCom, and this is my brother Hemant, and we really lost hope in him that he lost interest in his studies.
ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಗಾರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ ಆಗಿ. ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Not very confident. I'm very scared to and I have a stage fear. Before
coming to the list, I was working in a school as a teacher. My principal condemned me. I can't speak English.
ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ಗ್ರೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ದಿವಸ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ದಿರಲು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ.
Before coming here, I'm very scared. I can't understand English.
I was not really planning about the future.
I was only roaming here and there, and my dad and my parents are scolding me. Then I joined to list.
Okay friends, let's make a group. Anything, tell me something, not to the rest, to me.
After joining this institution, he gained interest in studies. Now he wanted to do his degree also.
Negative attitude, I changed my positive attitude.
English class, I learned how to communicate with people.
Fluent in English.
ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಗ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಗ್ರೂಮಿಂಗು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೋಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I learned courtesy, manners.
Then my father was very happy. Daily he encouraged to go to list.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಹುಡುಗರು, ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಿಂದ 2 hours ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾನು.
And I wanted to thank him for his efforts and interest and this institution people.
ನಾವು ಒಂದಿನಾನು ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಜೋಶ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
We feel like home, and here trainees are very trained. They encourage me.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ನಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು, ಇನ್ನು ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
To tell the society, like people who are outside and who lost their interest in their life and can join this institution.
After coming here, I got a confidence that I can start a business.
I have to become a sports coach. In future, I have to become a good life partner.
I want to become an air hostess.
Businessman.
Good job in my retail industry.
I'm a good person in the society.
ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ.
Get good job and also give good education to my son.
I want to become a financial manager in the future. My goal is retail management.
I would like to thank my trainer.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much everybody.